guys, welcome back to my channel Amastha. So in today's video I'm going to create a very beautiful makeup look with all these flowers and pinkish makeup. You can see I'm wearing a pink suit with blue dupatta. So this is a wedding guest makeup look along with cut crease. I'll also be showing you how to do a cut crease perfectly. So wedding season आ रहा है और काफ़ी सारी शादियां हैं हम सबके घर में, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर बिल्कुल भी शादियां नहीं हुई थी लॉकडाउन की वजह से। इस साल भी सिचुएशन कुछ वैसा ही होता हुआ नज़र आ रहा है, बट लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस। मेरे घर में तो काफ़ी सारी शादियां हैं, सो अगर आपके घर में भी कुछ शादियां हैं और आप प्यारा सा एक लुक लेना चाहते हो तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस लुक। सो या बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर माई वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. Let's get started. So guys, let's start with a lip balm. As I always say, it is very important to prep your lips before starting your makeup. So I'm using this Jove's lip balm to prep up my lips. Then I'm using a spoolie to brush my eyebrows. I feel that my eyebrows are quite thick, so I don't fill it. So I'm just simply brushing it. Then I'm using a concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. I'm applying it all over my eyelid to create a base for my eyeshadow. Then I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I'll just blend the concealer with it. For creating today's eye look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Tropical Paradise palette. I've taken a flat fluffy brush and I'm taking a brown shade which is not very dark as well as not very light, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. This will be my transition shade. You can take any shade of brown, you can also take a light shade of pink, it's completely up to you. Just don't take a very dark shade, it won't look good as a transition shade. Then I'm taking a flat fluffy brush. You can see this brush is not very small, it's flat but it's fluffy. Also it's a little bit slanted from the top. So I'm taking this light pink shade from the palette for drawing my crease. So with this brush you can draw your crease properly, and also because it's fluffy it won't form any harsh lines. Then I'm taking the same fluffy brush with which I applied the brown eyeshadow and I'm just brushing the edges. I am not mixing it, I don't want that. So I'm just brushing it so that it doesn't look separated. Then I'm taking a round fluffy brush. You can see the top of the brush is completely round. I'm taking a mauve shade from the palette, a shade darker than the previous one. I'll be placing it on the outer corner of my eyes very slowly and with very light hands. आपको बहुत ही हल्के हाथों से सारे आई शेडोज़ को अप्लाई करना है, क्योंकि वी डोंट वांट एनी हार्श लाइंस एंड ऑब्वियसली वी डोंट वांट टू मेस अप विद आवर आई मेकअप. सो बहुत ही हल्के हाथों से आप सारे आई शेडोज़ को अप्लाई करें. एंड ऑब्वियसली द पिंक आई शेडो शुडंट क्रॉस द लाइन ऑफ योर क्रीज, इट शुड बी इनसाइड योर क्रीज. Now for making the cut crease, I have taken the same Maybelline concealer. I have taken out a little bit of the product at the back of my hand. I'm taking this completely flat brush. It is flat and round from the top. Taking a little bit product on my brush, I am applying the concealer on my eyelid and I am following the line of my crease to make the cut crease. Follow the line of your crease and draw a border on half of your cut crease, not full because we want a half cut crease. हमें कंसीलर को एंड तक नहीं लगाना है और एक बॉर्डर ड्रॉ करते हुए हाफ ऑफ द क्रीज पे कंसीलर लगाना है, और उसके बाद हमें उसे बहुत स्लोली और बहुत प्रिसाइजली फिल करना है. इस स्टेप को आप बहुत आराम से और बहुत अच्छे से करें बिकॉज दिस स्टेप विल डिफाइन हाउ योर कट क्रीज इज़ गोना लुक. So do this step very slowly and very nicely. You need to focus on the inner corner of your eyes and the shape of your crease. Those things should be perfect, not the outer corner of the eyes, because at the end we are going to apply eyeshadow on the outer corner. So that does not needs to be perfect. The shape of your crease should be perfect for your cut crease to look good. For applying glitter over my concealer, I'm using the same palette. I'm picking up a light golden shade as I'm wearing a pink and golden suit. I'm using this brush just for placing the glitter eyeshadow on the borders. I'll be filling the eyeshadow with the help of my fingers because your fingers are the best brush for glitter eyeshadows. Then I'm taking this rose gold shade from the palette. I'll be topping it over the golden one. You'll see what a beautiful color these two shades make. So here I'm done with the cut crease. I'm taking this round fluffy brush again and the mauve shade from the palette which I used earlier, and I'll be placing it on the outer corner of my eyes. इस स्टेप को आपको बहुत आराम से करना है. आई शेडो बिल्कुल भी कट क्रीज के ज़्यादा आगे नहीं आना चाहिए और आपके आईज से बाहर भी नहीं जाना चाहिए और ऊपर भी नहीं जाना चाहिए. इट शुड बी ऑन द पॉइंट. एंड आपको बस हल्का सा स्मज करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लेंड नहीं करना है, बस हल्का सा आप इसको स्मज कर दो सो दैट द ग्लिटर आई शेडो एंड द पिंक आई शेडो डजंट लुक सेपरेटेड. Then I'm taking a pencil brush and the light pink shade again and I'm defining my crease again with this shade क्योंकि glitter से और dark pink eyeshadow से थोड़ा definition ख़राब हो जाता है. So I'm doing it again so that it becomes perfect. Here also you have to be very precise. आपको glitter के ऊपर नहीं लगाना है, आपको dark pink eyeshadow के ऊपर नहीं लगाना है और ना ही आपको brown eyeshadow के ऊपर लगाना है. It should be completely on the line ताकि आपका crease define हो इससे. Yes, I know it's a little bit tough, but you know it's not impossible if you practice it. And then taking the light brown shade, I have just brushed my eyes a little bit again. For eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme Insta eyeliner. I'll be applying a very simple eyeliner, not a winged one. Also, you can check out my video if you want to learn how to apply eyeliner perfectly, both winged and simple one. I'll be mentioning the link of the video as well as the link of all the products that I've used down below in the description box. Okay, so I'm done with the makeup of my eyelid. Now I'm doing my lower lash makeup. So I'm taking this pencil brush and the brown shade from the palette and I'm just placing it on my lash line. Makeup of the lower lash is quite easy. You just have to pick up the eyeshadows that you applied on your upper eyelid and you have to place the eyeshadows and just smudge it. That's it. And then I'm taking the lighter shade of pink and applying it on top of the brown eyeshadow. You can see I'm focusing more on the outer corner and less in the inner corners because that's how I want it to look. If you want, you can do it all over your lower lash line. It completely depends on you. For kajal, I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'm applying it on my waterline. बहुत ही थोड़ा सा and then we have to blend it with the eyeshadow. For blending the kajal, I'm using this small flat brush. You can see the brush is flat, a little bit fluffy and round from the top. Also, it is smaller than the one that I used for my crease. So it is important to choose right brushes for each step because that's what ultimately gives you a beautiful eye look. Okay, so now my kajal is blended with the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the mauve shade जिसको मैंने अपने eyelid पे भी सबसे लास्ट में लगाया था. So उसे मैं अपने lower lash पे भी सबसे लास्ट में अप्लाई करूँगी with the help of this pencil brush. And now I'm blending all the eyeshadows and the kajal that I applied together with this shade. And then at last I'm again taking the kajal and applying it all over my waterline because I don't want my waterline to look empty. And then take any mascara you like. I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara and apply loads and loads of mascara. It looks very pretty. Then I'm using the Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlighter palette. Guys, this is such a beautiful palette. It has 5 beautiful blush shades for every skin tone, 1 bronzer shade and 2 highlighters. So I'm mixing both the highlighters, and with the help of this brush I am highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. So guys, there you go. I'm done with my eye makeup. You can see how beautiful it looks even without any makeup right now. Now I'll quickly do my face makeup. For primer, I'm using this Color Bar primer. I'm applying it on my T-zones, my forehead, my chin, the areas where I usually apply it. For foundation, I'm using this Sugar Ace of Face foundation in the shade 47. So since it's a wedding guest makeup look, I want a really good coverage on my face. So this foundation is a complete full coverage foundation and I really like this foundation, so I'm using this. I am taking the same blender again, Damp Beauty Blender, and I'm blending my foundation. Then I'm using the same Maybelline concealer in the shade 25 medium. You can see I'm applying it in a very little amount because I don't want it to look too heavy. I just want to highlight some areas. So then I'll blend it with a Damp Beauty Blender, the same beauty blender with which I blended my foundation. For applying bronzer, I'm using this round fluffy brush. I'm taking the brown shade from the same Swiss Beauty palette. By the way, this is palette number 4 among these palettes. So I'm applying on my jawline, my cheekbones and my forehead. For applying blush, I'm using this flat fluffy brush and I'm taking the lightest shade of pink from the same palette. Since my eye makeup is heavy, I am going very light on all other things. That's why I've chosen the lightest shade of pink for the blush. For compact, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact. With the help of the same beauty blender, I'm applying it on the areas where I usually sweat, like my under eyes, beside my nose, above my lips. So it is important to use a nice compact or a loose powder. Loose powder also is very good in blocking oil. So you're going to wear this makeup for a really long time since it's a party makeup, so it's important to set your makeup properly and make it sweat proof. So use either a nice loose powder or a nice compact. For contouring my nose, I'm using the same flat brush with which I applied the concealer on my eyes. I'm taking the darkest shade of brown from this Tropical Paradise palette for contouring my nose. And then I'm blending it with my fingers because I feel it blends better with your fingers and you get your desired shape. You can also blend it with a brush, but I feel that it just spreads here and there and it doesn't look good, so I blend it with my fingers. For highlighter, I'm using a fluffy brush which is a little bit slanted from the top. I'm using the same palette for highlighter as well. I'm mixing both the shades of highlighter again and applying it on my high points. Trust me guys, this is a really nice palette and an ultra affordable one. All the shades of the blush are really pigmented and you can see how beautiful the highlighter is. It's giving me such a beautiful glow. Then I've taken the pencil brush again. You can pick any shade of highlighter and highlight your brow bones just the way I'm doing it. For lipstick, I'm using this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Mauve Party. It's a really nice mauve nude shade. You can see this lipstick goes really well with my dress as well as my makeup. Finally, for setting my makeup, I'm using this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. As I said in the beginning, you want your makeup to last as long as possible because you're going to wear this makeup for a long time. So it's important to use a makeup fixer. You can use any makeup fixer that you have. So yeah, I'm done with my makeup. I'll just wear some jewelries, do my hair and quickly come back. So guys, that's how you can create this beautiful makeup look. You can see along with the makeup I have made a messy bun and I've just added 2 artificial flowers with some hairs left out in the front. Guys, cut crease is not very difficult. Nothing is difficult if you practice it. अगर आप इसको 4-5 बार करते हो तो ये आपके लिए थोड़ा easy हो जाता है. So वेडिंग आ रहे हैं जैसे कि मैंने शुरू में बोला था, बट टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. आप मेकअप करो, सजो, सब कुछ करो, बट टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. कोरोना बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है अभी. ट्राई टू वेयर अ मास्क. आई नो इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट इतना मेकअप करने के बाद वेयरिंग अ मास्क. इट्स हार्ट ब्रेकिंग, but still it's important. Wear a mask, take care of yourself and stay safe. I hope you guys liked my video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did so. Share my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.